You were on a little vacation. How'd that go? You were in Texas?
I went to Texas.
Okay.
Yes. Yep.
Heard it's quite warm down there right
It's
now.
so hot. Everyone assured me that it was a dry heat, and they're all liars.
So thank you for joining us. My name is Shyler Mao. Welcome to the Nick's Boots from Start to Finish podcast. I'm joined here today by Morgan.
Woo.
Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Morgan. I do the marketing things.
Okay, and we've got Kelsey Lursbach, producer extraordinaire. Thanks for being with us today. All right, so this is kind of a quick update episode where we'll kind of go through what's been going on this month and catch everybody up to date. So let's just get right to it. So right now we are in the midst of the 60th anniversary celebration, culminating in the giveaway of one boot per day
Yep, that's
this
right.
week. Not giveaway, but the sharp reduction in price for one boot per day down to the $64 price. So that's pretty exciting. So get your boots in while you can. We'll be announcing that each day. We did launch the new Wellington boot, which I think it looks great. Nice chore boot for kind of getting out and about, I know you've got some chickens, Kelsey. You've got a lot of plants outside.
I literally don't have chickens.
I kill every plant.
Oh, I have one plant that's been alive. Her name is Sylvia Planth because I like to read. So, she's been alive for 3 years, but all the rest are dead.
What kind of plant is that?
That's an excellent question. It's tropical. It has pink and green.
Okay, cool. Well,
she's
kind of
killing
a mutt.
it.
Kind of a mutt. I've heard of those mutt plants. They last a lot longer.
There you go. That's what
good.
it is.
Better genes. So the Wellington's out. So now we've got the heritage options available on it. So those are launched. And please, if you're looking for a knockaround boot, I think it's a great choice. It's kind of priced to sell right now at the intro price of $495. So it won't be there forever. So we're finishing the 60th anniversary month with a bang. And we also launched our HD, our Builder Pro HD. So this is basically a kind of upgraded Builder Pro with some interesting features. It's got an offset counter to prevent curl and to also mainly to provide a little more comfort in that join area where those three pieces of leather come together and make it a little more of an easier break-in. It's got the relief cut to relieve some tension on the instep. And it's got a kind of an interesting approach to a gusset. It's a padded gusset that is essentially formed to kind of already go into the shape that it's going to be to kind of fit the shin there. So just three things we've heard kind of feedback from customers on.
The logger's eye is getting some positive feedback too.
Good call. So we've got the oversized logger eye for those logger knots and get both laces through there. What? You were going to say something?
I was just looking ahead. I forgot to ask Luke what he wanted us to plug.
Oh, poor Luke.
Yeah. Well, that's a miss.
Yeah.
I mean, he has been making those new belts. The
Sorry,
heavy-duty
Luke.
work belts.
Yeah, he's
Luke,
been
if you're
making some
listening.
more belts. So we're pretty caught up to a normal lead time on the Delta arches. So those are still continuing to sell well, but we've kind of aligned the production resources there. So now we're getting caught up on everything else, and I think we're doing a pretty good job on that. We've got some new T-shirts, so those will be shipping as part of the 60th anniversary celebration, and also, of course, available for sale. A couple new designs on there. I think they look really great.
Which one's your favorite?
I like the one with, oh gosh, what does it say? What do they say again? Remind me.
I don't know.
Well, you're the marketing manager.
I have no idea.
I don't know what you guys are doing half the time. I like the one next with the champ
I
one.
like the yellow
the
one.
champion next to,
The contender champion
yeah,
ones?
the contender champion ones. Yeah.
We
Those are
should
good.
really have had those shirts. We didn't think about this. It's fine.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm
that
trying
would
to
be
pull
cool
up
to
a
kind of have them
picture.
hung up here behind us or something
Yeah,
like that.
we could have held them.
Yeah.
We should have been wearing them.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Although Lucas
So I have
never
to take
orders my
back any
size.
so when I say Kelsey's producer extraordinaire,
Ooh.
I think she may just be a producer.
Just a regular
Ruh-roh.
producer. Shoot.
Yeah.
That's a demotion, Kelsey. I don't know if
Oh,
you knew
shoot.
that. So,
Well,
but yeah, I like the yellow one. I think it's a nice color. It's probably what I'm gonna try to get myself.
Yeah.
It's what I got my eyes on.
A lot of new gear. So we're also working on what I find really awesome jacket. It's a rough out jacket. It's coming in from Heat Straps, kind of one of our collaborations. It's online, so it's much lighter weight and should be priced more competitively or a little lower than the Patriot jacket. Probably going to be around $700 or so. It is still a lot of leather and a lot of construction that goes into it, but I think it'll be an awesome casual jacket in kind of our rough out 64 brown. Or looking at other colorways as well. So if there's any interest around that, this jacket's it's great. It looks awesome. It's something I would totally wear. The Patriot, I think, is very heavy duty and is really only suitable for certain situations. This thing is just a great all around jacket. I think you can wear in pretty much any condition. So. Very excited to see that. That the samples on that look awesome. Got a lot of other new things and cool stuff coming down the pipeline that we won't get into, but we'll be kind of keeping you guys abreast of that as we get further into it. I don't know. Anything you want to sign off with, Morgan? Any other things you're working on?
Man.
Like I know we've got emails going out to people with the specific sizes for the RTS.
Yeah. I am, working on some new email things, different ways we can market some stuff. So we're working on new content, Kelsey and I doing that together. We have some fun ideas I think people will like. So, yeah.
Yeah, and we are going to review all your suggestions that you put in for new products and also like website misses and that sort of thing. So that process is beginning as well. So
we literally have a meeting scheduled for that later today, I think.
Yep. So yeah, appreciate it. Sorry for the lead time here issue. We're trying to get better, and so thanks for bearing with us. Anyways, really appreciate your time, and I hope you guys had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend and are on a great trajectory going into summer. And hope the weather's treating you well wherever you're at. Thanks for listening, guys. For Morgan, Kelsey, Shyler, signing off, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.
Bye.
What would be the title of your autobiography?
This guy gets it.
I got nothing. Blank. It would be blank space.
That was a tough question.
It is a tough question.
For Morgan.
For me, yes.
Yeah.
Shyla was right on it.
Well, you don't think about your legacy?
You know.
I mean, what's your legacy going to be?
Oof.